I've realized that growing as a small YouTuber isn't about luck anymore. It's now about clarity and intentionality. Over the years, I have been doing a lot of things on my YouTube channel that has not been working, and I am still stuck. I am not monetized. I'm not even up to 1,000 subscribers. And now I have decided to take the bull by the horn and do things differently on my channel. And this is how I am going to grow my channel back in 3 months. I'm giving myself that challenge to grow my channel and be monetized in 3 months. And in this video, I'm going to take you on the steps and things that I'm going to be doing to grow my channel. Now, number one thing for me is clarity. What do I want to be known for? For the longest time, I was posting random things, following trends, doing whatever I liked, whatever I pleased to do, or whatever pleased me to do at the time without clarity. I wasn't giving value, and it actually stunted my growth on YouTube. And I think that this is one mistake that so many people do. You start without having like a plan on whatever it is you want to do on YouTube, and it is going to actually stunt your growth on YouTube, except maybe you're lucky. But right now, luck doesn't work that way on YouTube. You have to plan, you have to be strategic about the things that you want to post, even if you have like interest in so many things. You cannot do everything at the same time. Look for things that are quite similar and do them in one channel, and not just doing different things at the same time. Maybe you like making your hair, then you're talking about how to braid hair today. The next thing you're talking about how to cook egusi soup. It doesn't align. Be known for something. Right now, I want to be known as that girl that is sharing her journey on YouTube, on how she wants to grow on YouTube, sharing with other small YouTubers things that I am learning right now on YouTube. Okay, so have that clarity, and it is going to help you. Another thing I'm going to do is be consistent without pressure. Okay, I'm going to post consistently without pressure. I'm not going to come here and say I'm going to post every day. I'm going to be showing up when I want to show up, regardless of the circumstances, except it is a do or die, except it is a near death situation. But as long as I am able, I am going to be posting consistently. Now, most people may say consistency for posting every day, and I did a video talking about how you can still be consistent without posting every day. I'm going to link it up here, and I'm going to put it in the description box, so you can go and watch that video and learn about consistency. And this is something that I am going to be doing, and I have been trying to do that lately. I'm posting long form videos every Mondays and Fridays, and in between I post short form content as well. And that is consistency for me. As long as I'm showing up when I say I'm going to show up, I'm going to do it. Third thing I'm going to do is build connection over numbers. Now, I love community. I love being in a community of people that are like-minded. So I'm not going to start chasing the views, the numbers, the algorithm, the analytics, but I'd rather build a community of people like me that are also trying to grow on YouTube. If you understand what I'm trying to say. Now, the numbers will make you go cray cray, but when you build like my community, you encourage each other, you share ideas with these people that are also on the journey with you. You're more interested in helping people. You're more interested in growing with these people, joining with them, rather than just coming here to be robotic. You'll be more flexible. I want to be more flexible with my content. I want to know what other people are thinking. And talking about what you're thinking, if there's anything you're struggling with as a small YouTuber or a content creator and you want to learn, or you have questions that you want to ask, leave them in the comment section. I'll go through my comments and make sure I do videos about whatever it is you want to know or you want to learn. Okay. So I want to build a community of people that we can grow together, learn together, share ideas together, and all of that. And I want a community where I'll be able to say my truth and not be afraid of be lying today. People that would understand where I'm coming from and where I'm going, the ones that will last, not the ones that will just go for one video and leave. I want to be the community of people that would have my back at the end of the day, and I would also have their back. Okay. And finally, I'm going to trust my journey. I'm going to be trusting my journey because this is my journey. My 81 views, my 14 views in 3 days is not going to define my future. Right now, I'm having those views, but in the future, I'm going to be counting 100,000 views, or millions of views. So I'm going to trust this journey. I'm going to trust my process, that I'm going to give this my all. I'm going to be consistent. I'm not going to give up. because this is my story. I want people to see me doing these things. Right now, today is 17th of October. I posted a video on Monday. Today's Friday. I think that will be like on the 13th of October. And till today, that video only has about 16 views in 5 days. How do you want me to feel about that? How do you want me to feel? It is not encouraging, but I'm still going to be filming. I'm still going to be putting out content. Today alone, this is the fourth video I am filming. This is my journey. And one day I'm going to be sharing it. Go back to check all those your YouTubers that you're admiring, and you will see that there are videos from when they started and now the difference is clear. So I'm just going to give myself that grace, give myself that time, and be consistent. Like today, I didn't feel like filming anything, but it is the process for me. Still, I'm going to build brick by brick, one video until we get to where we want to be. And I know obviously I'm going to get there. And that's what's about you. The journey may be slower, but once you get there, you get there. When you get to your destination, you keep going on YouTube. That's just the honest truth. You keep going on YouTube. So this is how I want to grow my YouTube channel and just be here. I want to be able to build connection. I want to be able to be true to myself. I want to be able to speak from a place of connection, not just for trends. No more following trends up and down. No, not like I'm not going to follow trends, but they can follow trend and still do things your own way on your own case or at your own pace. Yeah. So yeah, this is how I have decided to grow my YouTube channel. Like I said, I am going to have more clarity. Now I have that clarity because I know I just want to teach people how to grow on here, take people on my journey of growing on YouTube. I want to build a community. I'm going to be posting consistently without being pressured. And I'm going to not focus on the algorithm, and I'm going to as well trust my journey because this is my journey and this is unique to me. And I need that other people too that are struggling like me. Okay. So yeah, this is how I'm going to grow my YouTube channel. And if you're a small YouTuber like me, this video should encourage you so that you know you're not alone. Okay. And if your channel is not growing as well, I did a video talking about the mistakes I made when I just started my YouTube channel. And you might as well be making these mistakes. So do well to check this video up here, and you will surely learn one or two from this video. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.